3, 2, 1, and go. Off we go. Get this match going. So it looks like they're trying to do that pass. Yes, I see one pass done. And a second pass done. Yay, so 2 passes right after that. That is teamwork. That's what we want to see. Now if we can get us and get a low and score. And we got a ball in, and another low score. And another ball in. Okay, so they both have balls. I think they passed them. Swap controllers, if you have swap controllers, you can just swap already and you can. And another goal score. Okay, so let's keep it. That's a pass. Yeah, and well, then if that one passes, that'll be another pass. That's another pass. 20 seconds left. That's good. It's going to be good. 6 seconds left. Are we going to